Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to calculate average in Excel. In Excel you can calculate averages very easily. The easiest way is selecting the cells for which you want to calculate the average, and the average gets displayed just here. You see, this is one of the easiest way, and you can calculate the average by formula also, like by typing is equal to average, average, open your bracket, and then you can select this range for which you want to calculate the average and press enter, so you get the average like this. You can calculate average for individual cells also. I can select average from here, and I can select this cell, comma, this cell, comma, this cell, and close the bracket. So now I have got the average for three cells, cell C6, C8 and C10, C6, C8 and C10. You can also calculate by average by typing in the numbers directly, like calculating the average for 29565, comma, 20782, comma, and 34897, and close the bracket. This way you can also calculate the average. You can calculate average for different ranges together, like average for these two cells and these two cells and this cell. Close the bracket, and this is the average. So this is how you can calculate average in Excel.